Hi guys, what's up? How are you? I hope you are doing good. This is the JB's Family YouTube channel, and we are grateful, manze. We thank God, and we love you so much. For those who staying with us, our new subscribers, thank you so much and karibu sana. If you are a returning subscribers kama kawaida, thank you so much and we respect you, and may God bless you. So guys, I have interesting video. Yeah, please guys, if you're watching my video I don't know where you are from, but if you are watching my video, please remember to subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. Like the video, comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, tell a friend to share my video. Yeah, so today I have an interesting story. Not story I'll give hiyo story ndio kwa akili yangu, but story ndapeana baadaye. So guys, just a minute because I have a one call. Or should I continue? Someone called me, ndio maana nilikuwa nataka ni pause, but it's okay, amekata. So guys, I want to, it is on Saturday morning. I don't know when you will be watching this video, but to me today it is on Saturday morning. Kama kawaida, I'm alone with my boy. I'm with my last born, my baby boy. My daughter, she's not around. My partner, he's not around. So guys, I'm just alone, me and my boy, and my boy is sleeping. And I want to do my cleaning. I want to clean my house, and I want to take you through, my people. I want to take you through how I clean my house. After cleaning my house, I don't know what I'll be doing for the day, but for now, because it is on Saturday morning, on Saturday I doesn't siendangi mahali. Yeah, that's me. Saturday siendangi kwa mahali. I just stay indoors. So guys, let me take you through how my house looks like. Very disgusting. So guys, this is how my house looks like. As you can see, this is how it looks like. Tukilala, we have to put pillows here because the bed is not pillow inachukua nafasi kubwa hii. This one is my breakfast, manzi. Tea and ugali. So this is how my house looks like. Let me take you to where to my kitchen. This is my kitchen. Everything is dirty here. And guys, I thank God I have now oil, cooking oil. This is cooking oil Pika. I used to buy Rina, but I did not, sikupata Rina, so I decided to buy Pika cooking oil, and I thank God for blessing us with the money we used to buy Rina. Nashukuru Mungu. So guys, this is how my house looks like. As you can see, my bed is congested. My baby is sleeping. So it is on Sunday morning, and look at my house. It is very dirty. And guys, I won't manage to, I don't know, I'll try to record when I'm washing plate. Loga kuosha vyombo juu ya meza hapa. I will be washing my utensils over here. Yeah, so let me take you through. So guys, I'll be washing my plates here hapa, but sitaki kumwaga maji kwa nyumba, so I'll put this basin over here, because if I wash here and I'm inside the house, nikiosha kwa nyumba maji tamwagika kwa nyumba nini, and I don't want to pour too much water. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to do. This is the utensils I should use, the vitu zangu za kuosha. Hizo ndio vitu chafu. So this is the water to raise my working tools. Yeah, guys, give me a is it an advice or a what? How should I put it? I need my lighting is very poor. If you want me to do any video, just tell me and I'll do it. Yeah. If you want me to do any video, just tell me and I'll do the video. I'll drop the video immediately. Manze, mi yaki sijui hata nifanye nini. Kuna video natamani nifanye, but sina mtu wa kunirekodi. Sina mtu wa kunirekodi. I don't know what I'll do, but I thank God. Mambo itakuchemka if there's something done. Guys, I'll show you when I'm through, because taki video ikuwe refu. I don't want my video to be too long so that people will bore. Hey, my lighting is poor, but you have to bear with me. So guys, I'm done. Only this one remaining. So nataka nioshe. Then I wash for my daughter uniform, because on Monday she's supposed to report in school. She's supposed to go to school. And tomorrow is on Sunday. I don't think I'll be able to wash her uniforms on Sunday, because I'll be washing our clothes on Monday. Yeah, so I want to finish here and I wash for my precious daughter uniform. Guys, tuko watu wawili wenye tunarecord. My son is watching kama tuko sita. That's what he loves. And mommy is doing cleaning. Yeah. Guys, I'm done with the kitchen. Hii part ya kitchen, I'm done with it. As you can see, only kitchen. Because look at the bed. Look at it. Ndio nimeanza tusai kuosha vyombo. I've not finished to clean the house. I just finished with this part only, this area. My utensils are clean, as you can see. Everything is clean, and I arrange them organized as usual. Yeah, so guys, what I want to do is to wash my daughter's uniform. Yeah, it is clean. I'm done with this part, this area. The next step is to wash my baby uniforms. Yeah, so guys, before I finish, and someone akonja. Yeah, so I decided to make porridge for him. Ndio akule. Yeah. So this is where I put my porridge for unga. Hii ni unga ya nimeshaweka hapa ndani. It is inside here. I don't know if you'll be able to be seen. Daddy, why are you making noise? So I'll just mix it with the water. My baby is hungry. Usimaindi venye nimevaa. This is my swag. Yeah. Don't mind about good. So guys, this mtu ananisumbua, lazima tu nimfunge kwa mgongo, because he's very stubborn. He is very stubborn. I just have to do this. If you are a mom, you have to do this. You have to do this. I want to make porridge for him so that niache in peace, nifanye my things, to finish doing my what things. That is kama umebeba So guys, na mix na maji unga uji. Nataka nimpikie kunywa. Ukikosa na kuchapa. Naweza pika hivi my people na kunywa. Na kunywa. Lazima nimfunge. And nionyeshe. Guys, nimegundua jinsi ya kuweka simu nikipika. And mpaka siku tutabuy ring light. I'm happy. Sasa nikipika mnionange. I just record the food. I thank God. I'm so happy because I found out what to do. Yeah, I'm here. If you're a mom, you know. So I'll wait my water to boil so that I can put the mix of unga ya uji and what? It's wimbi ni unga ya uji and mixed with water. I don't know. Sijui unga ya uji inaitwa aje. So acha tumwage. Sitaki video iende refu. But it's okay. Nichemka iko sawa. Acha tumwage kidogo. Ukiacha maji chemke, sasa ukimwaga hii itakuwa tu mambo itakuwa haraka. Immediately ukishamwaga maji unga ya uji hivyo, what you do is to koroga like this. Yeah. So guys, this is how it looks like. Na mkorogea ndio kunywa konjea, ndio maana ananisumbua. Uji imekuwa ready my people. Singe record juu alikuwa anapiga kelele analia. So here is the porridge. Ndio uji. Mtaona tunataka kusumbuana. Acha nimpe hivyo ndio nimtoe hizi nguo aoge. Tutasumbuana huyo kunywangi uji. No. Sasa inabidi tu mnyelie. Na mimi sijui kumpea akunywe. Na nimekoroga. Tumtoia konja. Chani nini nimpea alafu tuone. I will show you. Kama mkunywa I will show you. Huyu ndio unataka kunyongana, kusumbuana. Ndio kunywa uji ya konja, nataka kukula and I don't know why. Tumesumbuana. Kijana amelia lakini at least amekunywa. Unanibaki kidogo. I appreciate amekunywa at least chumbo iko sawa. Ulikuwa unalia nini? Amelia. Kini lazima tu ningempe akoncha hadi anashindwa kulala. Lakini what he want ni matiti tu. Anataka tu every time breastfeeding. I breastfeed every time, each hour. As you can see guys, I want to clean him up and so that I can go ahead with what I was doing. Yeah. So let me clean him up. Let me clean him first. Here's your boy. Unalia nini umeshiba? Anda kucheza. Ameshiba. So guys, I'm done with my precious son. Yeah, I'm nafunga dirisha. I'm done with my precious son. So I'm back to what I was doing. Ameshiba. Nataka nimalize saa kuosha hizi uniforms. After finishing washing uniforms, next step ni kutengeneza nyumba. Let me tell you my people, if you're a woman, kazi za nyumba zishange, and if you know it, if you're a woman, house choice azishange. So I want to wash my precious daughter uniforms so that I can go and hang them. After that, I'll be cleaning my house because I'm done with the kitchen, but I'll go back to the kitchen because I make porridge for my son. As man yoshe, then I clean it again. So let me wash this one out to show you. I don't want video to be long, that's why I'm trying to make it short. Yeah, I don't want my video to be long that much. So guys, I'm done with the laundry thing. Nataka tu nizirize hapa vizuri, then niende nizi hang kwa kamba. I'm done. Yeah, here is my daughter's bag, school bag. This is her school bag. So let me raise the clothes, the uniform, so that I can go and hang them. My house is still dirty. Kama dawa, as you can see, the kitchen is clean because I'm done with this part. Yeah, I've washed the porridge, the things I use giving my child porridge. Yeah, kitu nimetumia kupea mtoto uji nimeshaosha nini. So I'm done with the laundry thing so that I can tengeneza my house. I don't know if my hands is wet, that's why I can't pause. Well, I'm sorry. Don't mind, my precious son is over there playing. Kababa na kwanga kisirani daddy. We kimeniramba. Guys, my phone is hanging. Ndasema aje ina hang. Nene venye nyumba yangu ni chafu na simu ina hang. Guys, simu ina hang. Simu ina hang. Wow, sijaijua hii kitu naweza zoom. Guys, sijaijua. Hey, baba. Guys, wacha tu nini. Aki, you have to bear with me. My phone iko na problem, ime hang. Guys, I'm done with the laundry thing. Here is my clothes. I'm done. Nimezihang, zimekauka. Here is her bag. Dai bag yake hapa. I don't know if you are able to see, but yeah. Then bag yake, the laundry thing, I'm done. So that this is the end of our video. Guys, I'm done. Let's take a quick view and so that you can see my work. I'm done. This is my porridge nimeka ipoe so that I can drink it. Yeah, I'm done. Look, take a look. Here is my son. He's watching antenna. Everything is clean. As you can see, I'm done. This is my baby body. Everywhere is clean. So let us take a quick view. I'm done. This is my jikoni. Guys, what I nimeweka hivi juu ndio niweze kurekodi kitu na chilianga kama curtain. Yeah, it separates bedroom, kitchen and the sitting room. Yeah, so this is my quick review. So I think this is the end of our video. So guys, that is the end of our video. I don't have much to say. Let's meet in another video. Please guys, support your your girl. So peace, bye.